We have seen classification of signals. There we have studied continuous and discrete time signal, deterministic, non-deterministic signal, even odd signal, energy power signal, periodic aperiodic signal, causal, non-causal signal. 6 varieties. Now we are going to classification of systems. Okay. Here again we have a different types of systems. So the first one is linear and non-linear systems. Linear and non-linear systems. Okay. Second one is time variant, time invariant systems. Time variant and time invariant systems. Okay. And third classification, static and dynamic systems. Static and dynamic systems. Fourth classification, it is stable and unstable systems. Stable and unstable systems. Last classification, again, causal and non-causal systems. Causal and non-causal systems. Okay. In each case, there is some rule to be followed. Okay. So in linear, non-linear, first what we will do, generally input will be given in terms of x. Input variable is x variable. Generally input variable is x variable. Okay. So what we will do, case 1, you put x as x1. In case 2, in the given equation, you put x as x2. And case 3, the input variable, you have to put x as x1 plus x2. Okay. Then you have to check case 1 plus case 2, whether it is equal to case 3. It is called linear systems. If it is not equal to case 3, it is non-linear systems. Okay. If you add case 1 plus case 2, if it is equal to case 3, it is linear system. If it is not equal to case 3, it is non-linear system. And we have also a formula called superposition. Okay. In linear systems, they will follow superposition and homogeneity principle. Linear systems, it will follow superposition plus homogeneity principle. Superposition plus homogeneity principle. Okay, I will show you in the next slide what is this superposition and homogeneity principle. Now coming to time variant invariant systems. So we will have y of t comma tau should be equal to y of t minus tau. Then it is time invariant systems. If this y of t comma tau is not equal to y of t minus tau, this is time variant systems. Okay. When we go with the problems, I will tell you what all this mean. Now coming to static dynamic. So dynamic means, static means present output depends only on present input. Okay, present output depends only on present input, that is static system. Dynamic means present output will depend both past input as well as future input. Okay. So output will depend on present output. Present output is function of past output, okay, as well as future, past and future inputs. That is called dynamic systems. Static system means present output is function of present input only. That is called static system. Okay. Now coming to stable, unstable system. Stable means BIBO stability. Bounded input, bounded output. Stable means input is bounded, output also bounded. That is called stable system. When we come to the particular thing discussion, I will tell you. Okay, bounded input will give rise to bounded output. Such type of systems are called stable systems. Such type of systems are called stable systems. Okay. Causal means non-anticipatory, which doesn't depend on future. Non-anticipatory, which doesn't depend on future. And non-causal means anticipatory. Anticipatory means it will be bothered about future. Anticipatory bail. Okay, anticipatory bail, it will be bothered on the future. This is about the classification. This is about the classification of systems.